Door up, sir.
I'm here with Baltimore Sirens in Shrewsbury, Maryland, and we came here to see the Fedelcode Siren, and they're giving us a tour of the station at the same time.
But that was actually for the Siren, and I just
Let's go. So.
Oh, you put it on the button.
What?
Okay.
They told us to follow him.
Oh, that's great.
He did?
Yeah.
Oh, so looks like they have. These are their trucks here. There's their turnout gear. Pretty cool. So. They got hand sanitizer.
Yeah. You boys want to see the fire trucks?
Sure.
See, these are the cabs that the crew rides in.
Okay.
Very nice.
And this is what's called the rescue truck.
Yep.
There's a lot of different equipment in there. Every compartment is filled.
Mhm.
Look how big it is, bud.
And then that's the fire engine behind it.
Yeah, it's the engine. And then that's the heavy rescue truck. They have a map of all the fire hydrants. And now we're following to the Siren.
Hey, Vaughn, whenever you're ready, he said we could just get them and you get your cameras turned on and he'll pop it on for you.
Okay.
Did you want to do a
I wanna
little video on the truck or you want to get set up out back?
I want to see him hit the button.
All right, you see him, I'll go back.
Or does somebody else
You see him
do?
hit the button, I'll go back.
But do you have your cameras?
Yes, they're videoing.
Right
They've
now?
been videoing, yeah.
Okay.
All right.
All right.
He's going to go back out to the camp.
Okay. Oh, you want a video of him hitting
I want
the
to see you hit the button.
button? Okay.
That's cool.
We'll tell him when he gets done writing he's got to log in a report and all for them.
For that, because they just ran a call, so.
Yes, sir. And your camera's rolling?
Yeah, all the cameras are rolling, so
Okay.
it's probably in
All right,
there.
we'll tell this gentleman. They got the cameras rolling. He just wants he wants the video you actually hitting the button. He didn't know where the button was.
Okay, well, I can hit the button,
Okay.
but if you want to see the siren alarms blow, we won't be in the same spot.
It's okay.
Okay.
Here, I'll show you.
It's
All right.
okay, that's fine.
Oh, thank you, sir.
I'd rather see the button.
Where's the other lad at?
Well, he went out back already. The cameras are out. They got them
okay.
set up in there.
Yeah.
Okay,
Oh,
this
it's
is
so dark for the camera.
This is our training room.
Okay.
Oh, that's fun.
This is our training room.
very
that's
nice.
cool.
There's screens up front and
Okay.
Oh, nice.
This is a big house. I mean, we came up the back way
looks
and we
small
didn't.
on the
I
outside.
know. I walked out the front. I was like, wow.
Full deceiving.
It really goes a long way.
Wow, jeez.
Our living quarters are down here.
Oh, okay. Wow, bud, this is so cool. You got a full tour. Look how nice it
So
is.
these are the bathrooms. These are all
Okay.
bedrooms.
Nice.
These are single rooms, and this is the main. That's the main.
Wow.
Dorm
look
there.
Nice. This is very
Cool.
nice. Thank you, sir. We
Now
never
this
got
is
a
And then
our-
this is the
This is where we
eat.
relax. It's called the lounge.
Okay. Wow, you got a beautiful house. This is nice. Wow. This is good video, and this is going to be awesome.
Behind the scenes.
Behind the scenes, yeah.
Perfect.
It's going to be neat to watch it when he hits the button.
Yeah, I know.
Make it go off.
That'll
So-
be cool. Oh, that's the
Look at this.
exit.
Yeah, see, they're set up with the cameras.
You can let them know we're gonna be ready
It's
to
so
move.
big.
All right, he's going to fire it up.
In a minute.
Oh, jeez.
I
Ooh.
gotta send a message first to
That's
let
right, you
everyone.
got to tell him.
Yeah, let them know it's a test, so everyone doesn't come flying in here.
Oh yeah, because
That's what the other house did, remember?
does
We
it
got
go
the
off for fire calls?
What's that? Yeah,
Does
it goes
it-
off for
yeah.
fire calls.
So he's got to make them sure that
So I have
it's
to
just
make
a
sure
test.
they know not to come
Well,
down.
thank
Right.
you, because I mean, we're really inconveniencing them, and that was very nice. That's so nice.
I know.
Hey, go, bud. There's
The
the
gen- that's
transfer
the
switch and
backup
the
generator.
everything. Yep.
Train.
Everything you read about. It's so cool.
All right, so let's send that to the fire company, to everyone, and send. Do you want to send?
He wants to come down. Are you coming in? It's like a whole generator room. He wants to see.
All right, so that tells us
Jeez.
that it's a test only.
Uh-huh.
All right, so now we can test it. So you have what you're filming ready outside?
Yeah, our cameras are right there.
On. Yep, they're all zoomed in on your siren.
All right, let's see if I do this right.
Oh, jeepers.
Ready?
Yup.
Yep.
Thank you.
Wow, how cool is
It's so dark in there though. That's so cool. That's awesome.
I thought that was 8-port. I was like, oh man.
Was it 8-port? I didn't even listen. I heard.
It's not 8-port.
No, what is it? What are they?
8-port, it would sound like a 13.
Yeah, you're right. Haha. No, it's the camera. I do.
He went back inside. He's going to see if he's got 2 firehouse patches to give both of them.
Oh no. Okay, that's it. Okay, we're getting down.
Keep recording because the chopper's still moving.
Oh, the chopper's still running? Oh, it is. Oh, yeah, there goes the chopper. See it spinning in there? See it? That's how it works.
The one guy's like, take all the videos of the fire trucks you want.
Dude, I got 8 minutes of video
for
for you.
Do
Do you want me to send you this? So you can put it at the end of your video too, or you just want to do it to me?
That's what I told him. I said,
I don't really care.
realize how happy they
What?
I don't really care.
Okay, that's fine. That's their dorms down there.
Are you happy, Aryan?
Oh,
You got to see everything today.
oh, this is so
So this was worth it.
Oh, he says this.
He's giving us pass. That's the generator room.
Wait,
There's
you're
a
going
switch.
to Maryland line or no?
I don't know.
Now they're
Wait.
gonna be putting it on the
Dad,
calendar.
can we stop at the Maryland Line Fire Department too?
Well, I don't know. I mean, it's a little later than we thought it would be. Maybe we could make another trip out.
I'm still recording. This is going on YouTube, so don't talk about anything personal.
All right, let me turn off my camera.
Siren things.
Yeah, turn off your camera. What was that?
Here it comes.
Head on there.
Thank you.
For you?
Thank
That
you.
was so
He
nice
went
of you
out there.
guys. Thank you.
He's turning off his camera. Thank you so much.
Sure.
He's got a patch for you, bud.
We have a patch just coming.
Here he comes.
Turning off my camera.
Well, he was with them. They were just running around.
Here you go, buddy. That's for you. All right.
Thank you very much.
Thank you for watching. This was a fun day.
You don't know. You're like, wait a minute. This is what Dad thought. It's like, I know.
Hey, he went back inside. He's going to see if he's got 2 firehouse patches to give both of them.
Oh, that's nice.
Oh no.